Hello, welcome back to my channel. We're here for another video. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, how are you? It's nice to see you, and I've missed you, and we're here for a new video. So this video should be coming out Wednesdays and Sundays is my target goal for putting out videos now. So I've taken a little break, but I'm back full force, and we're going Wednesday and Sundays. So for today's video, we're going to be talking about a Black-owned business. The name of this business is called CISE. They are a clothing brand slash handbag brand. And yeah, they're Black-owned. So I love that about it. And I've been wanting to get my hand on one of their handbags, and so I happened to get one. I asked for it for Christmas, and my husband got it for me. So we are going to unbox it, and so you can fully see it and I can fully see it because I haven't really looked at it as much. But yeah, we're gonna get into this video, and definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. The red button below, hit that bell next to it so you'll be notified. Follow me on my socials. Instagram is where I'm mostly on. And yeah guys, let's get into this video. Talking about CISE. Okay, so this is a Black-owned business, like I previously said. It's a clothing line, and they're based in Los Angeles. What their whole mission is to build a stronger thread for the Black community. So not only are they a Black business which employs Black people, but they are trying to build up the Black community around them as well. And so their mission is to support the Black community. And one of the ways they do that is through an anti-racism fund. So that's really cool. I love that. And that's one of the reasons why I love to support Black businesses, because not only are they just giving back to the Black community just by being there, period, because there's not a lot of Black businesses out there. And so we have to support the ones that are, so they can employ other people who can hopefully eventually maybe turn into entrepreneurs themselves and keep growing and opening more Black businesses. So we need that growth within the Black community. So anyways, the product that I'm going to be talking about, or that I got, like I said, it was a handbag. So what I like about their products is that its logo is embossed with blood protect Black people, and they also have their handbags that say protect Black women. So I really love that, because it's such a bold statement and it's so the truth, okay? And so I stand by that 100%. So that is another reason why I decided to purchase something from them. So what I ended up deciding going with was the Protect Black Women, a handbag. I didn't really know which color to choose. So I had my husband just choose, and I'm okay with any of the colors that were on there. And the color that I received was the Cherry Blossom. So it's like a light pink. Their handbags are 100% vegan leather. Yeah, and like it says, mine says protect Black women. So we're gonna unbox it in a second. I just wanted to give, this purse retails for $160. Most of their bigger size tote bags are $160. Now they do have minis that are $150. So I don't know, that price difference is like a $10 price difference to me. So it's to me it kind of doesn't make any sense. I feel like the mini should be a little bit lower, maybe $20-$30 versus $10. You know what I mean? Because it's like, why wouldn't I just pay the extra $10 to get the bigger bag? But yeah, it's neither here nor there. So it says it's supposed to ship 2 to 7 weeks, and it may vary depending on what color or product you purchase from them. So let's get into this bag, you guys. This is the plastic bag it comes in. You see the CISE logo right here. All right, let's open this up. You have the dust bag, which is cotton. I can tell, I can feel it. The little straps right here is kind of like some type of, it mimics rope-ish look to me, but it's not rope. So, but as you can see on the dust bag, it says protect Black women. So if there's any hint to how the bag is gonna look, that's what the bag is embossed with. So as we open this, okay, you see that this is a light pink and this is in the color Cherry Blossom, like I said. Now with their bags, with this one, it has gold hardware. I don't know if you can see that. And like just as far as like the bottom is gold, this hardware is gold, and the strap portion where you put that on, and then the inside of the magnetic is gold as well. So it does come with a strap. I want to see this, a shoulder strap. Ooh, it's kind of twisted. Okay, and you just hook that on the inside. It's adjustable, so that's always a plus. Especially for people who are shorter and stuff, they don't want their purse hanging all the way down. And even me, as being a tall person, I don't want that. So it comes with the little pamphlet that tells you more about product care for the bag. It gives you the product quality, the care, how are you supposed to care for it. Yeah, it just gives you a little bit of information in a little note from the CISE team. So I think that's pretty interesting. That's cute. So that's what you receive. I want to read the note from the CISE team. It says your item has been manufactured using careful selected quality processing, using careful selected quality materials. Any apparent imperfections are actually unique natural features of the item. Each detail and finishing are reviewed for quality and constantly improved through manufacturing and attention to detail. To extend the life of your item, please visit a product care professional. For further information regarding about product care, please contact CISE customer service team. CISE is not liable in any way for damage to product due to improper use and conservation of the product that does not comply with the instructions. So, and it just says some other stuff about return exchange policy, and it's just saying thank you. Okay, and it just gives you, yeah, what to avoid, what to do, how to care for your handbag. So love that. Okay, let's see the inside. It's lined with the black. You have this one pocket right here that zips, okay, and that's like a brass hardware, and it's pretty much just like an open space, kind of like Telfar. Just open. There are no pockets, so if you wanted to get an organizer, they don't sell organizers, but you can find some on Amazon to kind of help you organize your purse. Otherwise everything just flops around. So yeah, this is CISE's handbag. Protect Black women. One thing I'm worried about, excuse me, with this color is it getting dirty, and I don't it just seemed like it would get dirty so easily. I don't know. Yes, because it's such a light pink. But again, probably wouldn't wear it every day, so the fact that it won't get dirty. So, and I wanted to mention that this is a perfect gift for Valentine's Day. Okay, look at this pink. This pink is giving me Valentine vibes. Valentine vibes. And it's also giving me spring vibes, which spring is on the way. It don't feel like it with all this snow, but it is definitely on its way. And so this will be the perfect bag to transition yourself into spring with, and it definitely will be the best, cutest bag for a Valentine's gift for yourself, because I love to gift myself all the time. For your mom, your sister, just anybody you care about, or for husbands, for wives, girlfriends. So this would be a great gift for that. Yeah, this is a really cute bag. This is really all that it is to it. And like I said, I love, the main thing I really love about their bags is the messaging. The protect Black women, and they also have the protect Black people, because I feel like that message just needs to keep getting reiterated out there, because I feel like people don't take it seriously. Like, you got, like, It's just a crazy world. It really is. But neither here nor there. Yeah, what do you guys think of this bag? Do you like this color? They have other colors. They have like I can look right now. Just in the Protect Black Women, they have a suede coffee color. They also have let me see this, caramel. They have two minis, which is a mini brown and a mini caramel. So that's what they have for that. And I don't know if I mentioned they offer clothing, more like a lounge type wear, but it also has the Protect Black People logo on it as well. And what I will say is about the Protect Black People is they have more colors in that logo embossed, Protect Black People. So if you're not finding the color, I wish they would extend out the colors for the Protect Black Women. To me, I feel like if they had the same colors for that as they do for Protect Black People, it would be great. But yeah, it is what it is. So hopefully they extend these colors for the Protect Black Women. But yeah, Protect Black People has more colors to choose from. So that's really it for CISE. Like, this is my bag that I've been wanting to get. Black owned luxury handbag. Tell me guys what you think in the comments below. Like this video, share this video with your friends. Definitely consider this an option for a Valentine's gift, for a gift in general. Birthday coming up, for spring, be looking for a new handbag. Support these black businesses. And you guys, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.